So now, last but not the least, Devika
No,
ma'am.
last.
Now it is story time. Story time.
Story time. Acha. Story time.
So all the very
So
best.
is my voice
Perfect,
clear?
perfect.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Am
Very
I
clear.
too loud?
No, not at all.
I'm
Perfect.
not too loud. Okay. The story that I'm going to tell you today, it's a personal story and a true story. It really happened. Okay. The title of my story is Mental Glass House. Mental Glass House is the title of my story. So I grew up in the city of Bangalore, and Bangalore in the late 60s, early 70s was truly a retirement paradise and a garden city. Yeah? Very, very beautiful. And my father took me to the Lal Bagh. Of course, a garden city is full of gardens, and Bangalore has a garden called the Lal Bagh. It's a huge, maybe 200-acre garden with a lake and ducks and birds. And so every Sunday, devotedly, my father used to make me sit down at the back of his cycle. My dad had a rally cycle those days, and he would cycle to Lal Bagh with me sitting at the back of his cycle. I used to thoroughly enjoy going with him, and we would walk the whole Lal Bagh, maybe 2 hours of walking. I was very little, but I walked a lot with daddy. So many kilometers we would walk here. My mother would pack a picnic lunch, and I was actually daddy's pet because I was the 5th child and born after 10 years. 10 years younger than my older sibling. So I was like the last in the family, and he petted me. I mean, he liked me a lot. So we would go away every Sunday to the Lal Bagh. Now, as a kid, we would climb up the hill, and the hill also looked very big to me because I was small. We went all around Lal Bagh, saw the ducks, went up the hill. He would buy me, the old notebook, jo kaat ke, they would make a little potli with groundnuts. They would fry it in the sand. So ting, 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 ting karke. I remember those days, 5 paisa, 5 paise ka ek packet hota. So 5 paise ka chota packet और 10 पैसे का बड़ा पैकेट. मैं इतनी सी थी, मेरे 5 पैसे का पैकेट काफी था. So 5 पैसे का पैकेट, and peel the dried skin and then eat only the inside thing. Even that my dad used to make me open the groundnut, और वो ऊपर एक इसकी छोटी सी चोटी होती है ग्राउंडनट में, जो दोनों को together रखता है. It's a small little thing. So he used to make me take out that and eat the groundnut, because he used to tell me if you eat the middle part, उसमें पित्त ज़्यादा होता है, पित्ता. So you should remove that and eat it. Don't eat it with them. फिर वापस घर लेके, he would actually from home, he would bring a small piece of jaggery, molasses. And he used to say, whenever you eat groundnut, you should eat a small piece of jaggery to balance the nutrition. Okay. So he used to teach me, he used to give me a scientific reason for everything. So I remember going to Lal Bagh, but every time there's a glass house in Lal Bagh. A glass house, jisme almost 15 days ka, there's a flower show. There's a flower show every year during Republic Day in January, and it's supposed to be one of the best flower shows in India. Okay. So I used to, as a little child of 5, 6, I used to look at this glass house, and for me, like it was a really, really big, okay? Like I'm a 5-year-old, it used to be bigger than life. मेरे लिए glass house is very, very big. So we happened to leave that part of Bangalore city and move into another part of Bangalore city because we sold our ancestral house. And years passed, I didn't go towards Lal Bagh at all. Many years I didn't go. फिर NCC, फिर ये वो शादी, बच्चे, लाल बाग देखते देखते शायद 25 years हो गए थे. सडनली एक दिन क्या हुआ, आई वॉज इन बैंगलोर और मेरे बहुत क्लोज दोस्त यानी ही इज इन हिज लेट 70s, an artist called Dheeraj Chaudhary, but I have a lot of friends who were 50 years older than me. Yeah, but they're very close friends. So Dheeraj Chaudhary is an artist, principal of the Delhi School of Fine Art for 15 years. And he was in Bangalore. So he said, Devika, to aaja, main Bangalore mein hu. So I took a train from Chennai and I went to Bangalore. I was with him for 4 days when he was painting. He kept teaching me things as he's painting. So he tells me, Devika, my daughter and grandson are coming. Can you take them somewhere? I said, आप भी आ जाओ मेरे साथ. I'll take you to Bangalore Palace or Bangalore लाल बाग लेकर जाती हूँ मैं आपको. तो he says, क्या है उधर? तो मैंने कहा, I said, अभी मैं 35-year-old बात नहीं कर रही थी. मैं तो बिल्कुल वो 6 साल की जो देविका है उधर से बात कर रही थी. And I tell Dheeraj Chaudhary, I said, this beautiful glass house. It's really amazing and it's really huge. It's lovely. It's one of the biggest glass houses. And we go to Bangalore, Lal Bagh. And we get down, we walk from the car park. और I'm looking at the glass house from far away and I'm saying, oh my God, Devika, this is not big. I'm telling myself, you told Dheeraj Chaudhary कि इतना बड़ा glass house है, सबसे बड़ा glass house है, लेकिन ये तो बहुत छोटा है. And I'm feeling embarrassed कि क्या कह दिया तुमने, वो भी इतने famous personality है, इतने बड़े, तुमने कह दिया कि इतना बड़ा glass house है, लेकिन ये तो बहुत छोटा है. अभी मैं खुद पे I'm wondering, how did you say this? फिर हम लोग गए. मैं सोच रही हूँ ये तो बहुत बड़ा, मैं तो सोच रही थी कि इतना बड़ा है, अभी ये छोटा पड़ गया. Then I told him, he says, when did you come here, Devika? सर, मैं तो यहाँ पर लास्ट आई थी शायद मैं 7 साल या 8 साल की थी. So he looked at me and he laughed and he smiled at me and he said, हाँ, पता है मैं भी ना, मेरा गांव तो वेस्ट बंगाल में बहुत दूर एक जगह पे था और एक बहुत बड़ा पेड़ था वहां पे, वेरी ह्यूज बैनियन ट्री. और मैं सोचता था कि इतना बड़ा बैनियन ट्री कहीं नहीं हो सकता. और फिर हम लोग उधर से निकल गए और मैं दिल्ली पहुंच गया और बहुत साल बाद, 30 साल बाद मैं गांव पे चला गया और मैं सोच रहा था कि पेड़ कहाँ है, और मैंने देखा तो पेड़ उतना बड़ा नहीं लगा मुझे. वो छोटा लग गया. तो I understand what you said. Then I have always held that moment very close to my heart. And I call it the glass house moment. And I always connect it to my life. This incident happened in the year 2006. Okay. And since then, I always look at the core of this story for me has become glass house moment. कभी कभी लाइफ में भी ना, इवन इन लाइफ, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि कुछ बड़ी बात हो गई, कुछ बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. हम बच्चे के तरह होते हैं जो छोटा सा प्रॉब्लम भी हम उसको बड़ा समझते हैं. सो इन लाइफ 2006 से आज तक काफी प्रॉब्लम्स आए हैं मेरे रिलेशनशिप्स में, फैमिली में. यू नो, आई हैव faced life with many problems. और जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है which I have to face, I always say, hey देविका, ये तो बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, ये सिर्फ ग्लास हाउस का मोमेंट है. This is only a glass house. It's not very big. It is only very small. So any problem that I face in life, I look at it as my glass house ka moment. And that has really helped me to overcome many, many issues in my life. Because when I look at them, I only look at them as small issues, not as big issues. And the moment I begin to look at any issue as small, I'm able to find out that I can overcome it very, very easily, and I don't have to waste much time on it. So that is my real life story and how I looked at my glass house. And whenever I face a hurdle, I look at it as my glass house moment. Don't worry, Devika. It's only a small glass house, not really. So that's my story for you today. Yeah.
I mean, we were so engrossed. Matlab, the way you were telling about that groundnuts, I was so engrossed in that. The way you tell, na, so everybody is, I mean, just looking at you, the way you are telling, I mean, this is basically your strength, storytelling. Storytelling. I mean, it's a very small incident, a very small story, but you have given a message also, a beautiful message in life. I mean, we always consider problems as so big that we can't cross that. But actually, it is nothing. In fact, life is nothing.
Life is
Life is nothing. So,
yeah.
Beautiful message. Beautiful. So nice. Thank you. Thank you, Devi.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
इसके अंदर आपने एक बेस, एक अपनी लाइफ का एक बेस बना दिया कि ये जो ग्लास हाउस है, दिस इज द बेस ऑफ माय लाइफ, कि जिस वो आपको हमेशा एक प्रेरणा देता रहता है कि वट एवर द प्रॉब्लम में भी, कोई भी अगर प्रॉब्लम आती है तो ये वाला बेस लेके चलो, तो अपने आप ही वो सारा, और कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ अपनी एक सोच है कि आप अपने क्योंकि वैसे तो देखो प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट मियरली पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ, बट लाइफ इटसेल्फ इज प्रॉब्लम एक लाइफ का पार्ट नहीं है। जैसे वो कहते हैं ना, प्रॉब्लम्स आर नॉट मियरली पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ, बट लाइफ इटसेल्फ इज प्रॉब्लम। वो बोलते हैं ना, नानक दुखी है सब संसार, तो हमेशा प्रॉब्लम तो हमेशा रहती है, लेकिन ये इट्स ऑल डिपेंड अपॉन यू कि हाउ कैन यू, इसको आप कैसे टैकल करते हैं इसको। आप जैसे आपने एक बेस बना रखा है कि दिस इज ये वाली प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी अगर प्रॉब्लम आती है तो मेरे को ये वाला बेस ले लेना है और सारी प्रॉब्लम जो है अपने आप ही सॉल्व हो जाएंगी, सॉल्व भी हो जाएंगी। ग्लास हाउस है, एक ग्लास हाउस है ये। अच्छा, वैसे है भी एक ग्लास हाउस है, अगर सोचो तो एक ग्लास हाउस ही है, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम तो प्रॉब्लम ही है, प्रॉब्लम तो आनी जानी चलती रहेगी लाइफ में।
Isha ma'am?
Devika ma'am, first of all, the title itself was evoking lots of curiosity in my mind, the mental glass door. And from there itself till the end of the story, I was traveling with you without knowing where I am. Okay, first of all. Second thing, you know, you gave, you have just, I can say, gave us the taste of, or the experience of erasing all the five senses, like, you know, auditory experience we got, visualization we got, even the taste when we were talking about the groundnut, and this one also, from the picnic lunch itself, I got the taste of that picnic lunch also, jaggery, and that the groundnut. So the taste we got, and then, you know, that visualization, you were telling that Bada mountain, then I was also looking at up to there. So that, no, that is the real crux and crux of a storyteller, real strength of a storyteller, and that was there, that is always there, yeah, in you. And I still remember your stories in during my training days. But
thank you so much.
Even I could visualize even Dheeraj Chaudhary. I was visualizing him.
Yeah.
Very acha. And the story ended with such a beautiful message about the problems. I am also believing in the same theory. If we are thinking about problems are coming in everyone's life, problems are coming, and if you are thinking so high about that, we won't be able to even cherish that smile on our face. So I am also believing in the same thing.
And this is truly which happened. I have not added anything to this, no diversion. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हुआ, मैं उनको लेकर गई. I still remember that day. Every experience that I went through, you know, मैं तो थोड़ा अंदर से हिल गई थी, अरे यही है ग्लास हाउस। मैं इनको इतना बड़ा पिक्चर पेंट करके लेकर आई हूँ, यही है। He passed away about 3.5 years back. He passed away, and he was a very good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine. He's come to UK. I mean, a man who is such a great artist, world famous artist. He used to come to UK. He stayed with me in my house, and I have a beautiful painting of his, which he sat on the floor and he painted in my house in UK.
Oh.
Yeah, such a wonderful, wonderful person. Wonderful person. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you very much,
Thank you
Usha,
so much.
Rajesh, and Rahija ji.